Hey everybody, so I'm John Lang and I want to review this JROD sleeve. I had this sent over to me and I just got it in the mail and I want to review what I think about it. So this one, you can choose, you have a couple different options. There's multiple colors and you can choose to either get it glow in the dark or not glow in the dark. They retail not glow in the dark for I believe 12 bucks. And the glow-in-the-dark ones are 15 bucks. I got the glow-in-the-dark one because why not? But the glow-in-the-dark one would be super ideal for someone who does a lot of gas station cleaning or something when you're doing that stuff at night. So anyway, first impressions, it's just like a rubber silicone. You can see, you can squeeze it and whatnot. It's thick, it's durable. These are gonna last a while. So when I first got mine, my initial instinct was to slide it on the back, okay? Was to slide it right on the back like that. Now the problem with that is when you go to put your quick connect on, it gets in the way. So you would have to like really push it on there, and then it's just not on there right. You see how it's all smushed on there? So I actually had another follower inform me that I had it on backwards. So, you know, if I would have played around with it a little more, I'm sure I would have figured it out. But it slides on. Oop. So once you get it in place, you're good. You kind of gotta force it to get around. So there we go. And it looks way better like that too. It's a nice little sleeve. So the purpose of this is a few different purposes. You got some grip now. Before this was all metal. So if you're using this on a roof or something, you know, you drop it on the roof, it's gonna slide right off the roof, right? But with this is gonna grip onto the roof. So this is awesome. Just the grip factor alone is huge. Color coded. So if you're, you know, say your company colors are blue, like mine here, you see my vehicles. Now I got just yet another thing to match with the company. When you have things, when you have your stuff all color coded, it's going to reflect nicely on your company. Glow in the dark is sweet, so you don't lose them. But man, I really like it. You know, it's just some grip. You know, when you're out there spraying and it's wet and you're holding something metal, it slips, it drops. So it's really cool. I'm really happy with it. It's such a simple idea, such a simple problem. You know, I hear some guys saying they spray paint theirs, but that doesn't solve the grip issue. It's still going to be slippery. So anyway, I'm real excited to use these in the field. I lose these sometimes, you know, so if I drop this in the yard, we're gonna find it. It's gonna stick out like a sore thumb, and I'm just really happy with these. I'm gonna order probably 7 or 8 more, because I got 7 or 8 of these JRODs laying around with different tips and variations, and you know, we got a 4 gallon a minute and a 8 gallon a minute. So you know, maybe, you know, the 4 gallon a minute ones will be blue and the 8 gallon a minute ones will be red, something like that. But there's a lot of possibilities with these. Really happy with them. Shouts out to Adam Mosley. If you want to get your JROD sleeves, I'll leave a few websites in the description on where you can get them. They're all the same price though, so whoever you do business with most, you can get it there. And that's about it. Go ahead and join our Facebook group if you haven't already. Team Wash Life, it's the Facebook group. I'll leave another link in the description, and thanks for watching.